Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 10 in OpenBox channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to check total size of your hard disk in Windows 10. So just follow my steps and I'll show you how to find it. So first you just have to go to your this PC option and right click on the this PC. After right click on the this PC you will see there's an option called manage. Now click on manage option. After opening the manage option, scroll down and you can see there's an option called storage option. So if you expand that option, you can see there's an option called disk management. Now click on disk management and now you can see the total size of hard disk in my PC is 931.51 GB. So it's kind of 1 terabyte. So that's it. That's how you find your total size hard disk space in Windows 10. So hope you find this video helpful. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.